Action has to be concerted one. We have already seen a coordinated move, but now it seems that Pricewaterhouse has some more serious troubles coming its way. Ira Dugal joins us to give us a bit more as to what the future is for Pricewaterhouse in India.
Investigations into Pricewaterhouse and the kind of role that they've played in this Satyam fraud, whether it was a case of negligence or it was a case of collusion, those investigations are still on. But one regulatory body which is likely to take a very strict view on Pricewaterhouse is the Reserve Bank of India. Sources tell us that the RBI is actively considering barring, in fact renewing a ban on Pricewaterhouse from auditing banks and non-banking financial companies. This is something that is actively under the consideration of the RBI, and they will take a final view on it once they see the Registrar of Companies report and also get a view from SEBI on the role that Pricewaterhouse may have played. We also understand that pending that formal decision, RBI officials have informally started to sound out leading bankers, especially for the large private and public sector banks, asking them to be cautious in involving Pricewaterhouse in the audits of some of these large banks. They also say that they are in talks with ICAI to get a formal view on this entire story. Remember, for RBI, this is a story which actually reopens old wounds, because back in 2002 when Global Trust Bank failed and when the promoters of Global Trust Bank were thought to have siphoned off thousands of crores from the bank, it was Pricewaterhouse which was the auditor in that particular case as well. At that time, the RBI had barred Pricewaterhouse from bank audits and NBFCs for a long period of time. They finally revoked that ban only in March of 2008, but even since then they have been cautious in awarding contracts or awarding any sort of business to Pricewaterhouse when it comes to the banking sector. Now, of course, if it is proved or thought that Pricewaterhouse had a role or a negligence that they exhibited in terms of this entire Satyam story, then the RBI would in some ways be proven right on their cautious stance that they are taking to Pricewaterhouse at this point in time. But for now, it looks like banks have already been told to be cautious in involving them as an auditor.